Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how the way I make this animation. Okay, now let's go to the tutorial. First, open your Canva and then make a new project like this, and here you need to add a text onto your design. For example, I would like to type city, just like the previous video that you watched before. And now you need to you need to change the font onto bolder font. You can use any font that you want, but to make sure that you need to bold font like this. And after that, add a shape. For example, I will try to use this shape, and now adjust the shape until it's covering all of the text like this. Change the color of it onto black color, and then move the position of the shape on the back of the text. And on the text, you need to change it onto white colors like this. And after you finish doing it, save this design by clicking download like this. And after you finish downloading it, you can delete this design, and now you can add a photo of any photo that you want to edit. For example, I will try to use this image, this one, and adjust the size of it until it's covering all of the design size like this. And back to your gallery, then add the text that you already saved before. And after that, click the Magic Studio and then click the BG remover to remove the background from this text. Okay. After you finish removing the background, let me adjust the frame. This. And now you need to adjust the size of the text. Make sure that it's cover all of the image. Like this. And on the text, decrease the transparency like this. And after that, you need to add an effect, shadow effect, and then click outline, and then adjust the size of the outline, I think on the 13, and then adjust the color of it. I will try to use white color, and I think I need to decrease it one more time. Yeah, like this. And after that, you can add another photo. For example, I will try to use this photo and adjust the size of it. Make sure that it's covering all of the design element. And after that, swipe left the toolbar, click layers, and put the picture behind the first picture that you add before, like this. And on the first picture, and after doing it, minimize the page and duplicate it like this. And on the duplicated page, you need to click the page one more time, and then swiping left the toolbar and click layers. And on the second picture, make it on top of the first picture like this. And after finish, we can add a motion. Click the layers and then click animate. For example, I will try to use this wipe animate on enter. and decrease the speed of it like this, and swipe left, go to the next page and click layer one more time, click the image and add the animate wipe like this, then click it. Now you can change the direction to the left, and we can see the result just by now. And that's the way how to add a swipe motion onto your image just using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.